Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet Tank 1020W printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, wait for a few seconds. After that, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to the any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP LaserJet Tank 1020W printer driver. Type as it is HP LaserJet Tank 1020W printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer, and here we find our printer name. Open the whatever first link is, open the first link. After that, HP official website is open. Here we find our printer name. Here we find our operating system and bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Go to the Windows in a version. Go to the Windows 10 32-bit. If Windows 10 is 32-bit, if Windows 10 is 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update. After that, this page goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down. Here we find many options. If you want to install by internet, then click at here install software and driver and download these drivers and install it. And if you want to install manually, then go to the install software and full basic driver supports print and scan functionality only. Expand it. Here we find our full drivers. Go to the here and here we find the file size. And here click on the download. Click on the download. It's redirect to another web page, and download is started at the top. And it's take 1 or 2 minutes depending on the speed of our internet. If speed is high, then it takes 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for few minutes. After that, go to the downloads. Go to the downloads. Click on the show in a folder. Here we find show in folder. Minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer driver file, and these printer drivers files are actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple. Right click on this, click on the extract files, click on the OK. It's unzipping and it's take few minutes. So be patient and wait for few minutes or few seconds to unzip process to complete on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. And unzip process is complete. Here we find unzip file or unzip folder. Unzip folder, double click on this extracted folder. Here we find the drivers. Okay, here we find the drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers, and we are going to manually install these drivers. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, click on the add a printer. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, there are many options. You can use any options. You can use IP addresses. If you're using Ethernet, then you can use IP addresses. And if you want to use a network connections or the wireless or Bluetooth connection, then you can use this option. Select this option and click on next. I'm using the USB cable, so I click on the add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. I select this option and click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Select USB port, click on the next. Click on Havdix. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our extracted folder, unzip folder. Double click on the unzip folder. Here we find driver. Double click on driver. Here we find our driver. Select any file that you want. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file. Click on open. Click on the OK. Here we find two drivers, version 3, version 4. Select any one. I select HP LaserJet Tank 1020. 1020 is also include 1020W printer. Select that printer. Click on the next. Give any name. that you like. I use HP LaserJet tank 1020W and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few minutes. So our installation is complete. It's not take few minutes, few seconds. And after that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet tank 1020W or 1020, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.